In the realm of holistic healthcare, essential oils and aromatherapy have long been revered for their therapeutic properties and profound healing effects on body, mind, and spirit. Yet, despite their ancient roots and proven benefits, they often linger in the shadows of modern medicine. They are the loyal companions for those who seek a holistic approach to wellness. In this article, we delve into the complexities behind the underdevelopment and underutilization of essential oils and aromatherapy in comparison to mainstream medical practices. While traditional remedies have stood the test of time, modern medicine places a heavy emphasis on scientific evidence and rigorous clinical trials. Essential oils and aromatherapy, although backed by centuries of anecdotal evidence and cultural practices, often lack robust scientific validation in the eyes of conventional medicine. The absence of large-scale studies and standardized protocols hinders their widespread acceptance and integration into mainstream healthcare systems. Unlike pharmaceutical drugs, essential oils and aromatherapy products are considered natural products and are not subjected to the same stringent regulatory standards. This disparity raises concerns about product quality, purity, and standardized dosing, leading to variability in efficacy and safety among different brands. Commercialization and misinformation. The increasing commercialization of essential oils has led to misinformation and exaggerated claims about their health benefits. In addition, many consumers lack awareness and understanding of essential oils and aromatherapy as viable treatment options. This proliferation of misinformation undermines the credibility of essential oils as legitimate therapeutic agents and contributes to skepticism among healthcare professionals and consumers. In a world where the power of essential oils often remains hidden in the shadows, those who embrace their healing touch are not merely users, they are pioneers of a new era in holistic well-being. By incorporating these natural wonders into our lives, we are breaking free from the constraints of conventional medicine and forging our own path towards vibrant health and inner balance. Each drop of essential oil becomes a beacon of hope, illuminating our journey towards greater harmony and vitality. So, to all the trailblazers out there, remember, every time you reach for that bottle of essential oil, you are not just using it. You are lighting the way for a healthier, happier future. Here's to being pioneers of holistic living, one drop at a time. Keep shining bright.